has a trailer. Put on my Dynasty solution. There's a lot going on this car. Is that an Xbox? That is an Xbox. What's up, y'all? I am at the Peterson. I'm about to check out a car show. Fast and Furious style cars. Alright, let's go check it out.
Perfect, yeah. All right, man. Of course. Thank you. Give me like 5 minutes and then I'll ask for the word. Thank you. Make sure that you have
A lot of Fast and Furious looking cars. Charmander. I like this color. Look at this. Is it Century? Got the curtains and everything. Luxury. Lambo doors. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. It has a trailer. Sick. Oh, you're good, bro. You're good. Is it raining? It's starting to rain. Check out this Cybertruck. The wrap is crazy. Yeah, I'm not too much of a Cybertruck guy. Too big for no reason. Now, let's look how big this one is. Sheesh. Oh my god, those lights. Oh wow. Those are some bright lights. Look at this thing. With a 10 on the back. Probably sleeps about 3 people. This must be the electric section. The electric section over here. Got some more Teslas, some more Tezzies. retro mod. I drive it, but Vander. Take this Porsche though. I have a sticker of this Porsche. Huh. I've seen this car a few times before. Put in solar panels on the top floor. There's a lot going on this car. Man. Another Star Wars car. No. Boba Fett. Got the Kirby car. I used to play Kirby back in the day. It's a good video game. What is this? A GR86? Yeah, GR86. Oh, here's the Batmobile again. This is nice. Gold wrap, Empire custom wraps. Okay, they did a good job.
it was very, very tough. You guys have something.
Well, that's why the speakers
So we did take our time deciding, but we did our best, and I hope you guys are happy with the turnout. So come to the front, we're going to go awards right now. Thank you.
What's another Star Wars build? Not as elaborate as the others, but you know.
Systems online.
Oh, Oreo. Wow. Look at that set. Blue. That's nice. Oh, man. It's real nice. Down there. Those got stickers too. I'll take that. Sure, I'll take one of those. Oh, these are all Scion XBs. Box. Oh, look, he got the Jordans too. The Jordans to match his car. Nice.
Alright guys, the next one's gonna be for best wheels. We have DJ Go 007. Mr. Frank. So if you get an award, I'm not gonna give you another one. Just so you know. So I want to share the love. I don't want to be one against everything because I think it's unfair.
Some nice cars
I
here.
want to share the love, so I just want to know. This is you guys know in our word.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Okay, so this is the
Leave a
second
comment.
place Euro. This will be for.
I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
The 27th.